Hello guys, my name is Arav and today I'm going to show you how to make a school project all about Saturn. So let's get started. So today's project is going to be split into 3 sections. The first section I'm going to talk about how to make the title. So let's get started. So our title is going to be made out of magazine covers or like magazine letters. So I cut it out like a Saturn for Saturn, and that's how you can make your title. And now I'm going to show you how I made my borders. So you can see there's like a yarn going all around the borders, and I'll tell you how you make it. So you use a hot gun glue around the borders, put that, and then put this yellow and white yarn around it. Next step, I'm going to show you how I made the Saturn in the middle. It's so shiny. Can you believe it? So let's get started. You make a Saturn out of Sharpie, any regular Sharpie, and then you put glitter on it with like some glue, the white glue, and then you cover the rings with acrylic paint that's yellow, and then I just wrote Saturn at the top. Now, and also you can put and you can put like a picture or like anywhere on the poster you can put a picture of Saturn. It looks a little bit good. So that's what I did. Next steps, I'm going to show you how to make the writing. So you can print out like the writing and write information about Saturn in like shapes, and then you can print that out and then cut it up and then put it on construction paper, like how I did. I wrote all that about, and it can be any shape, like a scroll shape or like a diamond, a rectangle, a square, whatever shape you like or you want to do it as, you can do it. And also you can put like some some colors on it. I didn't do it, but you can put some like watercolors after the construction paper on it. So that was all about it. Next steps, I'm going to show you how to make a Saturn out of yarn. So you use a bouncy ball, any bouncy ball you have. You wrap it around with yellow yarn, and then you wrap it around with orange yarn, and then you use a brown pipe liner, and then put it around it. If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe.